Good morning, everyone. It's a nice early working day, and thought we could do makeup together. My makeup routine is super easy, super simple, nothing of that fancy stuff. And we're gonna do it. You're gonna see how quick it is and how quickly I get ready. So it's gonna be fun. So anyway, the first thing you do when you start with putting your makeup on is start with a clean slate. This is me with no makeup. I don't use those puffs or anything, applicators on my face. I use what God gave me, fingers. So I've already moisturized my face, so it's nicely moisturized. And the next thing I'm going to do is put foundation. I use Estee Lauder Double Wear, if you can see that. It's in the color Rich Ginger. Then I use Rimmel Lasting Finish powder on my face afterwards, soft beige. I use a normal black eye pencil. I'm not even sure where I got this from, but it's really lasted me a while. Mascara. This is just a volumizing mascara. I either use one lip gloss or two lip gloss, depending on how I feel. And to finish it off, just some blush. Nothing fancy, guys. We got no time for fancy. We got no time for contouring. I got a business to run. Let's do this. So what I do is I just take some foundation, put it in my hand, and from there just dab. Okay, just dab. This is usually my routine in the morning. I have a shower, put the clothes I want on for the day, and then apply my makeup and dots. So I'm just gonna rub it in. How easy was that? So now I'm just going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to put some eye pencil on my eyebrows. Next thing is my powder. Neck and the ears are very important. You need to blend. I don't contour, but you gotta blend. This powder and foundation combination lasts literally the whole day. It's fantastic. You can believe it or not, guys, but we're almost done. It's that simple. So I draw on my liner with a pencil. I've done one already. Let's do the other side. The key is to go slow and try and match the other eye, which I've already done. You. That's pretty spot on. Mascara. I don't put eyeshadow on stuff for work, guys. I don't need it. Pretty basic stuff, right? Before I put the lip gloss, I'm gonna put the blush. Rosy cheeks. Get them rosy cheeks. So today I'm decided I'm going to put lip gloss and another lip gloss. And I'm going to put some brown lip pencil. Although this is an eye pencil, that's fine. We roll with the punches. This is stationary life. We do what we do. We like what we like. I like the contrast of pink and brown. So there you go. That is my look for work today, guys. Very simple. My hair is, I like to call it al dente. It's kind of like fun. Work should be fun, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, big thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.